Hello everyone, welcome to our grammar class. In this class, we are going to see about adverbs. Okay, already we discussed about adverbs much enough, and now also we are going to see about adverbs and times overall. Okay, we have discussed about the 11 types of adverbs in our previous videos. And what are the 11 types of adverbs? You see, the first one is to be adverb of manner, adverb of place, and followed by adverb of time, adverb of frequency, and adverb of reason, adverb of degree, adverbs of negation, adverbs of affirmation, and interrogative adverbs, then relative adverbs and sentence adverbs. These are the 11 types of adverbs we discussed so far. Okay, and just write down the 11 types of adverb once again for your clearance. Right? First one, adverbs of manner. Okay, now these are the types of adverbs we discussed so far. Adverb of manner, place, time, adverb of frequency, adverb of reason, adverb of degree, negation, affirmation, interrogative, relative adverb, and sentence adverb. Right? And what is manner? In the sense how the action is done. Okay? And time, place, where the action is done. And for time, when the action is done. Frequency, how many times the action takes. Okay? And reason, it says about the reason. Okay? Since I have this verb, so I did this verb. Okay? And I can in the reasons, giving reasons. Okay? Since, because, as, that, these are the reasons adverb. Okay? And for degree adverb, it says about the action of intensity. Okay? It talks about the intensity of an action. Enough, too hard, very hard, these are called as reason adverbs. Okay? And negation, in the sense, it gives a negative meaning. Okay? It talks about the negative sense. Okay? For example, I am never going to talk to you hereafter. Okay? Okay? Never. These are all called the negation adverbs. Okay? So many negation adverbs there. And affirmation. Use confirmation. Okay? Definitely, surely, confirm. These are all called the affirmation. Okay? And second, interrogative. How, when. These are the interrogative, asking questions. Okay? Then relative adverbs. When we already see the relative pronouns, right? And that is what? Relative adverbs. When, where, these are called the relative adverbs. And sentence. Sentence adverbs, in the sense, it gives meaning, it adds meaning to the sentence. Okay? Some adverbs add more meaning to the sentence, that is called sentence adverb. Right? Are you clear with the 11 types of adverbs? Yes. And now we are going to complete these sentences. Now we are going to complete these sentences using the adverbs given above. Okay? First, always. Always is the adverbs of time. Always is the adverbs of time. And never, adverbs of negation. Quite well, adverb of manner. Here, adverb of place. Beautifully, adverb of manner. Okay? And we are going to complete the sentence using the above adverbs. Okay, clear? First one, this is the first one. It is dash very hot in December in Tamil Nadu. Okay? Tamil Nadu எப்பவுமே December month எப்படி இருக்குமா? நல்லா hot இருக்குமா? Yes, it is a hot. No, actually here it is cold. I just want your attention so that only I written as a long sentence. Okay? It is dash very hot in December in Tamil Nadu. டிசம்பர் எப்படி இருக்கும் தமிழ்நாட்டுல எப்பவுமே கோல்டா இருக்கும் ஓகேவா சப்போஸ் இங்க ஹாட் கொடுத்தனா month நம்ம மாத்திக்கலாம் மே அப்படி மாத்திக்கலாம் ஓகேவா so it is too suppose they didn't give very in the sense we may use too okay it is too cold in December we may use too okay but they given very the word கொடுத்துட்டாங்க so இங்க இருக்குல என்ன யூஸ் ஆகும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is always never எப்பவுமே இருக்காது alwaysனா எப்பவுமே okay it is always எப்பவுமே very cold ரொம்ப கோல்டா இருக்கும் டிசம்பர் எங்க பார்த்தா தமிழ்நாட்டுல okay and the second one he dash understands your position for this sentence we have two adverbs okay if you want to convey the sentence in positive in the sense we can use always okay if you want to convey the sentence in negative sense in the sense we can use never எப்பவுமே நாம அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிப்பான் அப்படி பாசிட்டிவ்ல சொல்லணும்னா we use always ன்றதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் ஓகேவா எப்பவுமே அவன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்க மாட்டான் அப்படினா never யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் ஓகே never in the sense adverb of negation always adverb of time if suppose adverb of time தான் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னு அவங்க சொல்லிட்டாங்கன்னா நாம always யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் ஓகே if suppose adverb of negation யூஸ் பண்ணுங்கன்னு சொன்னா never யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் எதுமே கொடுக்கல just use appropriate adverb அப்படி சொல்லிட்டாங்கன்னா we can use any one from this okay so I am going to use here never he never understands your position and third one you can sit dash if you like நீங்க பிடிச்சிருந்தா உங்களுக்கு உட்காருங்க ஓகேவா here ன்றது இங்க கொடுத்திருக்க ஆப்ஷன் யூஸ் ஆகும் இத தாண்டி வேற என்ன அட்வர்ப்ல இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தா in the chair place okay you can sit in the chair if you like you can sit there if you like you can sit inside the room if you like so இந்த மாதிரி places என்ன place வேணாலும் நாம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் ஓகேவா so இங்க இருக்கிற அட்வர்ப் என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னா here you can sit here if you like and fourth one she sings இங்க இருக்கிற பார்த்தா always she sings always yes வரலாம் she sings never அவ எப்பவுமே பாட மாட்டா she sings quite well கொஞ்சம் நல்லா பாடுவா okay யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் she sings here maybe somewhat கரெக்ட்டா வரும் she sings beautifully so the sentence எல்லா adverbமே somewhat suitable ஆகுதா ஓகேவா so once again I repeat that suppose adverb of manner இல்ல எந்த adverb யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னு அவங்க நமக்கு கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா நம்ம அந்த adverb யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் suppose they didn't mention அப்படினா suitable ஆக எந்த adverb வேணாலும் என்ன செஞ்சிக்கலாம் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் ஓகேவா சோ நான் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் beautifully யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் she sings beautifully she sings daily she sings sweetly எந்த adverb வேணாலும் வரலாம் ஓகே then I know them already அவங்க ஏற்கனவே எனக்கு அவங்களுக்கு ஏற்கனவே தெரியும் already யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் then I know them always அது வராது never அது வராது quite well வரும் ஓகேவா அவங்க எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் தெரியும் I know them quite well suppose how are you இப்போ ஃபீவர் யாருக்காவது இருக்குன்னா இப்போ நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க அப்படி கேட்டா yes I'm quite better now கொஞ்சம் பரவாயில்ல சொன்னேன் that is what called quite well quite meaning பரவாயில்ல கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப அதிகமான பரவாயில்ல ஓரளவுக்கு ஓகேவா and this is what adverbs okay if they ask you to complete the sentence or use any exact the adverb they given me you have to fill the sentence or complete the sentence using that mentioned adverb otherwise you can use any appropriate adverbs okay because in adverb we don't have any appropriate exact answers okay so appropriate என்ன answer நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் and thank you so much now if you want to be very clear on this topic please look at our previous videos on adverb okay and thank you so much in the next class we will discuss about next topic thank you